Okay, students, good morning. Here, the chemical properties of amines, I want to give certain reactions, important reactions given in the syllabus. First one is acylation. In acylation, a primary amine is reacting with acetyl chloride, or acetyl chloride is reacting with the primary amine. I am taking the aromatic amine, and one HCl is eliminated, and you are getting acetyl derivative of aniline. Okay. Primary amine, in the case of primary amine, one molecule of HCl is eliminated, you are getting acetyl derivative of aniline. C6H5NH2 plus CS3COCl minus HCl is eliminated, and you are getting acetyl derivative of aniline. I will show the reaction later. Secondary amine also, one molecule of HCl will be eliminated, and you are getting a derivative. Secondary amine, yeah, the HCl will be eliminated, and addition reaction taking place. In the case of alkylation, alkyl halide is reacting with primary amine. Reaction is continuing. In the first step, one molecule of alkyl hydrogen halide HX is eliminated. One molecule of HX is eliminated, and you are getting alkyl derivative. RNH2 plus R dash X, HX is eliminated, you are getting RNH R dash. And reaction continues with, this is a secondary. Primary amine changes into a secondary amine. Again reaction taking place, one molecule of HX is eliminated, and you are getting a tertiary amine. So primary amine is changed into secondary amine. Secondary amine is changed into a tertiary amine. In both the cases, HX will be eliminated. And the last step, again, one molecule of alkyl halide is added to a tertiary amine. No molecule is eliminated, and you are getting a quaternary ammonium salt. I will show the reaction once again with the help of the camera. So that is, the primary amine reacts with an alkyl halide. Alkyl derivative is formed. Again, alkyl derivative is nothing but this is a secondary amine. Secondary amine changes to tertiary amine, and finally you are getting a quaternary ammonium salt. Third important reaction is exclusively a reaction of primary amine. Distinguish between primary and secondary and tertiary amine. There will be a question like that. So this reaction is a distinguishing test, in which the primary amine is reacting with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide in presence of heat. So primary amine with chloroform and alcoholic potassium. Reaction happens, and you are getting an isocyanide. Isocyanide is having a very, what can I say, foul smell. Foul smell, very bad smell. This is a distinguishing test between primary and secondary amine. The side products are potassium chloride and water. So carbylamine reaction is a test for the primary amine. Every primary amine, any primary amine can react with chloroform and alcoholic sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide in presence of heat, and you are getting bad smelling, foul smelling gas. That is the corresponding, in this case you are getting phenyl isocyanide and isocyanide, and in other cases you will be getting. You may have heard of methyl isocyanide. It is the gas responsible for killing more than 20,000 people during 1983-84 at Bhopal, which is known as Bhopal tragedy. Like that. So that is the carbylamine reaction, and these three reactions are important: acylation, alkylation, and carbylamine reaction. The last one more reaction I will tell you today, that is known as reaction with HNO2. So this is RNH2 plus HNO2. HNO2 you are not adding like that, you are adding sodium nitrate and HCl, NaNO2 plus HCl, dilute. So you will be getting sodium chloride and HNO2. Sodium chloride and HNO2. So HNO2 you are adding like that. You are adding HNO2 to sodium HNO2 in terms of NaNO2 and dilute HCl. So if you are adding like this NaNO2 and dilute HCl, so RNH2 will change into ROH, alcohol is primary alcohol. So primary amine reacts with HNO2, you are getting an alcohol, primary alcohol. So this is also a distinction test between primary and secondary and tertiary. Secondary amine also react with NaNO2 and HCl, that is HNO2. You are getting a nitrosamine. Which one is that? R2NNO. R2NN. This is known as nitrosamine. So secondary amine will give nitrosamine, and tertiary amine you are getting a salt, trialkyl ammonium nitrate. This compound is R3N. This is R2NH. This is RNH2. R3N is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine will react with HNO2 and you are getting trialkyl ammonium nitrate. This is known as trialkyl ammonium nitrate. This compound R3NH, just like a quaternary ammonium salt. So primary amine will give primary alcohol. Side products are nitrogen and water. And secondary amine will form a nitrosamine with hydrogen. And tertiary amine totally it will add and form a salt which is known as trialkyl ammonium nitrate. So these are the four reactions of amines, primary, secondary and tertiary amines given in the syllabus. And before going to wind up this small class, I want to show you these compounds by focusing the camera very near to this. Our today's class heading is amines and chemical properties. First reaction is acylation. Acylation with acid halide. Take a primary amine, acid chloride, CH3COCl. HCl means one hydrogen from here and a Cl from here, eliminated. And you are getting the addition product, which is known as the acetyl derivative. Secondary amine, this hydrogen and this chlorine will be eliminated and you are adding this compound. That is also a derivative. Right? Tertiary amine will not do the acylation reaction. You come to alkylation with alkyl halide. This is primary amine, this is alkyl halide. Primary amine and alkyl halide. You are getting RNH R dash, alkyl derivative, RNH R dash, because hydrogen from here and X will be eliminated and you are getting RNH R dash. Again the reaction can continue with another R dash X, another molecule. And you are getting again one more HX. This hydrogen and this X will be eliminated. You are getting a tertiary amine. So primary amine will change into a secondary amine will change into a tertiary amine. And finally, again one more molecule of RX will react and you are getting a quaternary ammonium salt. This is the quaternary ammonium salt. R4N positive charge Cl minus. Carbylamine reaction is a reaction in which a primary amine is reacting with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Okay, potassium hydroxide, temperature, and you are getting a very bad smelling, foul smelling gas, that is isocyanate, in this case phenyl isocyanate, and potassium chloride and water are the side products. Every primary amine will show this reaction with carbylamine reaction and corresponding isocyanate will be formed. I told you already. A reaction with HNO2, you are not adding like that HNO2, you are adding sodium nitrate and HCl. Reaction will be happening and sodium chloride and HNO2 will be formed. So you take the primary amine and HNO2, okay, and primary alcohol is formed. So primary amine will give primary alcohol. Secondary amine you take it and do the same reaction, but in this case you are getting a nitrosamine. And tertiary amine also will be reacting and forming the corresponding quaternary ammonium salt. In this is R3 means alkyl group. R3 means trialkyl ammonium nitrate in this case. Okay, so these are the important reactions of today, and there are many more reactions, and those reactions I am not going to take now, because I know that your people are not at all interested to see the reactions, and you are passing your time at your home safely. How many days you can be there like this? Who knows? So my duty is to convey you the reactions, to convey you the syllabus according to the Tumakuru University syllabus, the reactions given in the syllabus. And your duty is to study, and if you take it very seriously, it will be better for you. Otherwise, I cannot help you, nobody can help you. Okay, thank you.